Tonight we're learning another Tampa road closure is causing headaches for South Tampa neighbors and businesses out there. Carson Chambers explains.
The City of Tampa project is meant to replace storm sewers in this area, but for a lot of businesses, it's cutting off the flow of customers. Business at Jason Gerald's Dairy Joy has been hot and cold.
It's been tough. It's been difficult.
And even in the ice cream business, that's not good.
It's frustrating when you have a real nice day and the business isn't there. And because people are avoiding the area.
The main drag, Manhattan Avenue in front of his drive-up ice cream spot, is completely blocked off at El Prado as Tampa improves its stormwater system underground, putting higher stormwater assessment fees to work.
Oh, that's very inconvenient for us.
Nita Butcher has been serving breakfast and lunch for nearly 20 years here, and she believes new customers aren't coming around.
Newcomers, I would say not. When you're regulars like I am, definitely, we know, and you want to support them.
The project is slated to be complete this summer, but Gerald worries about it being drawn out that long.
Every little downturn is felt.
In Tampa, I'm Carson Chambers, ABC Action News.